Hello children, welcome once again to now this time geography session. We were supposed to start a lesson population. So, you all know the meaning of population. Population is a resource. It can be curse also if it is not properly maintained, yeah, something like that. It can be curse because countries like China and India, they are having too much population. So, if the population is fruitful in the sense productive, it can be resource. So, we will see in this lesson what population. We will be discussing population, population growth, density of population, distribution of population, structure of population. So, 5 main points we will be discussing दोस्तों. Population का मतलब है resource. Population growth means meaning and factors affecting population growth. Density of population, meaning and factors affecting the density of population. Distribution of population, meaning and factors affecting distribution of population. Structure of population, meaning and features. So let's now first discuss population, a resource. How is population a resource? Like other resources, population is important in overall development of a particular region or country. Without population, how can you expect the progress of the country? Never, है ना? तो पॉपुलेशन कितनी होनी चाहिए, क्या होनी चाहिए, दैट इज़ डिफरेंट, बट पॉपुलेशन इज़ अ रिसोर्स, इज़ अ श्योर फैक्ट. So, important for the overall development of a particular region or country. While studying the population of a particular region, the various aspects like population growth, population distribution, population density, structure of population have to be considered. The economic and social cultural development of any country gets influenced by its population. The quality of population proves more important than its quantity in overall development of a country. Means the quality of population is important, not the quantity. That I told no. प्रोडक्टिव अगर पॉपुलेशन है तो पॉपुलेशन कम भी रही तब भी रिसोर्स हो जाएगा, और नॉन प्रोडक्टिव अगर पॉपुलेशन है और बहुत सारा पॉपुलेशन रहा तब वो रिसोर्स नहीं कहलाएगा दोस्तों. इट विल बी अ कर्स फॉर अस. सो let's see what you have in your textbook regarding population, a resource. In the above exercise, you obtain information about strength of students in your school. In a similar manner, information can be obtained about the population of village, taluka, district, state, nation and world. Suppose you are in one class. What information can you obtain? How many students are there in your class? Out of the total number, how many are boys and how many are girls? How many are absent? What is the total strength of students in your school? What is the total number of boys and girls in your school? Which class has maximum strength of the student? Which class has the most absentees? Okay. If you answer all these questions, you can find a population data of your school. In the similar manner, information can be obtained about population of village, taluka, district, state, nation and world. While obtaining this information, we have to also consider age and sex ratio, literacy, etc. Several factors are responsible for the development of a region. Out of these, population is an important factor. See, several factors are important for the development of a region. Among them, population is one of the factor which is important. Out of these, population is very important. While studying population of any region, the following aspects have to be considered. What are they? Population growth, population distribution, population density and structure of population. See, now they have given you one graph. Population of 2016, city A and city B. City A had 1 lakh, city B had 1 lakh 10,000 more. Total number of children born 2,750. Total number of deaths 1,500 and in B 2,200. People who have migrated from outside, migrate म्हणजे आके रुकना, तो सिटी ए में 23,000 थे और सिटी बी में ओनली 15,000 थे. पीपल हु हैव माइग्रेटेड आउट, बाहर जाने वाले लोग थे 2,000 और 5,000. सो नाउ टोटल पॉपुलेशन इन 2017 क्या होंगी, तो इसमें से आपको प्लस और माइनस करते हुए आपको करना है कि कौन से इसमें आपको ज़्यादा वो दिखा। हाँ, तो दोस्तों ये आपको करना है और पता करना है कि क्या विच सिटी हैज़ ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर ऑफ न्यूली बॉर्न चिल्ड्रन। कौन से सिटी में न्यूली बॉर्न चिल्ड्रन ज़्यादा है? बी सिटी। विच सिटी रिकॉर्ड्स ग्रेटर नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स। डेथ्स कौन से सिटी में ज़्यादा हुआ है? बी सिटी, है ना। लुकिंग एट द फिगर्स ऑफ इमाइग्रेशन एंड आउट माइग्रेशन, विच सिटी हैज़ रिसीव्ड मोर माइग्रेंट्स। देखो अभी पीपल हुआ माइग्रेटेड जैसे बी सिटी में कम है, 15,000 ही है, जबकि पीपल हुआ माइग्रेटेड फ्रॉम आउटसाइड ए सिटी में 23,000 है, म्हणजे इससे 8,000 ज़्यादा बाहर जाने वाले लोग बी सिटी में ज़्यादा है, 5,000। आने वाले कम, जाने वाले ज़्यादा। Calculate the population of both the city in 2017. After considering all the points, which city has recorded more growth of population in 1 year? The total number of births are given out. What would be this figure per 1,000 population? What is the term for this? What would be the number of deaths per 1,000 population? What is the term used for this? ये सब अपन जानेंगे इसके बाद के वीडियो में। सो दोस्तों इसके बाद का वीडियो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट पीरियड में भेजूंगी। टिल देन हैव अ गुड टाइम एंड प्लीज़ रीड दिस एंड वी विल कंटिन्यू आवर वीडियो।